dear friends, in last class we have already discussed about that the characteristics of family. On that, the last characteristics of family, that is it instruct the tradition. Yes, family is it is instruct the tradition. Then it introduce the kinship. Already you know that kinship means what? Blood relation, is it? It introduce the blood relations. Okay. Then afterwards. Many more family have the we can see the different type of the relationship, is it? So likewise it outline the relationship of family members. So how father and mother, the relationship between the father, mother, grandfather, grandmother and siblings, is it? Siblings means what? Brothers and sisters, is it? So it outlines the what is relationship between the family members, understand? Then afterwards it also teach about that the generation, is it? Our grandparents are the third generation and our parents is the second generation and we are our third generation, is it? So likewise it teach about the generation also. Yes, we can see that the many more families are there on the basis of the on the basis of civil we can generation first, second and third. So likewise, how is the first generation family? Yes, it is nothing but it include of the parents and also the children's. What it is? Parents and also the children. So the family include with the parents and their unmarried children is called the central family, is it? Here we can see only two generation. So what is the two generation? Here we can see the parents is the first generation and children is the second generation. But here the family which is include with the grandparents, parents and the children is called the third generation family. In the sense third, it means grandparents is the first generation, second generation is our parents, third generation is we, is called the third generation family. Then afterwards we can see that extended family, is it? So what we can see in this extended family is here included the more generation, grandparents, parents, children, grandparents. So the which family is include of all these generation is called the extended family. What is the grandparents is the first generation, then second is the parents, second generation, children is third generation and grandchildren is the fourth generation. So we can see that the more than three generation family we consider as the extended family. Okay, this is the characteristic of last characteristic of our family. Let us discuss about that the type of family. Yes, we can see that according to the geographical area and according to the tradition, we can see that many more type of the families are practicing in the world, is it? According to the geographical situation. Then afterwards according to the traditions. So here we can see that according to the authority and nature, so we can divide the family in the varieties of part. Yes, in today's class let us discuss about that. Already we know that the center family. Center family, it means what? The family consists from the parents and children is called the central family, and joint family means the family which is consists of more than three generation is called the extended family or joint family. Understand this? Yes, the family, we divided this family on the basis of kinship. We divide the family on the basis of kinship. Afterwards, we divide the family on the basis of residence. Then, thirdly, we divide the family on the basis of nature of authority. What is? On the basis of kinship, we divide the family. So, according to the relationship. Okay. Then, second is on the basis of residence. So, on the basis of residence, we divide the family into the two parts. So, what are those? Patrilocal family and matrilocal family. What is patrilocal family and matrilocal family? It means what? After the marriage, wife live in the husband house is called what it is? Patrilocal family. After the marriage, here husband live in the mother, in a sense wife house. He get the residence of his wife house is called what is matrilocal family. Understand? According to the residence, in the sense where the husband and wife lives, is it on the basis of the residence? We divided the family into the two parts. First one is the patrilocal family and matrilocal family. After the marriage, the wife get the residence of his husband is called the patrilocal family. But after the marriage, husband get the residence of his wife house is called the matrilocal family. Yes, then next one is, it means residence according to the residence, in the sense ಅವರು ಆಶ್ರಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗಂಡು ಏನು ಅವನು ಹೆಂಡತಿಯ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಏನು ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಡಸು ವಾಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಪುರುಷರು ವಾಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ಗಂಡನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಪಡೆಯೋದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೌ? Yes, then next is the nature of authority. Yes, we can see that on the basis of the nature of authority, we divided the family into the two parts. So, what are those? Here, patriarchal family and matriarchal. Yes, we divided the patriarchal family and matriarchal family. Yes, this is also on the basis of authority and where they get the residence. According to these two bases, we divided the family into the patriarchal family and matriarchal family. Yes, patriarchal family, we are already know that nowadays we are also practicing, is it? So patriarchal family in the sense the father, in a sense husband centered family, in a sense husband centered family. Here the husband get the all authority of the family here. Understand? And the successors of the what is the husband as is followed to his elder son. Understand? Then afterwards we can see this in this patriarchal family, all authority come by father to his elder son. Understand? So this type of the family is called the patriarchal family. Understand? Nowadays we are seeing this type of the patriarchal family, all authority and generation passed to the father to his elder son. Understand? So this is called the patriarchal family. All authority, financial management and what is property rights transferred to the father to son and son to his elder son is called the patriarchal family. It is a father centered family. Here the wife gets residence of his husband home. Understand this? So this is called the patriarchal family. Nowadays we can see that in the Greece, Rome, China and India, all these countries are practicing the what is patriarchal family. Understand? Patriarchal family means it is the father centered family, all authority and property right within the father only. Understand? So this type of the family is called the patriarchal family, and afterwards the authority right of property and also the successors are by the father to his elder son. Elder son get the more importance in the all celebrations of our family. Understand? This is called the patriarchal family. Then next is the matriarchal family. Yes, already I said that it is on the basis of the authority. Is it? So here the successors they get the succession from the mother to her daughter. Understand? Mother to her daughter. Here the mother, in a sense woman is the head of family. Mother is the head of the family in this matriarchal family according to this its name. Is it? All property rights are transferred to mother to her daughter. Understand? Mother to her daughter. Here all rights and decision making right is also in the hand of mother only. Here the father, in a sense husband, gets the residence of the mother. Understand? The husband gets the residence of his wife house is called the matriarchal family. Now, what is matriarchal family means? What it is? Here, mother-centered family it is. Okay, all property rights authority is transferred to the mother to her daughter. Understand this? Then husband gets the residence of his wife house here, but he is no rights. Understand? So this type of the family we consider as the matriarchal family. Then this type of the family we can see in the coastal regions. What is the coastal region? In the Kerala Nayar family. What is in the Kerala Nayar family? Kerala's Nayar family, these type of the matriarchal family is practicing in the Kerala Nayar community. Then in the northeast also we can see this type of the matriarchal family. So already I said no, for what purpose? According to the geographical situation, understand, according to the authority. So we divided the family into the two parts, that is the patriarchal family and matriarchal family. Understand? These are all the types of the family. Remaining the two types of the family, in next class we must discuss about that, that is the joint family and a center family. Okay.